2001 Toyota MR-2, a rear engine car. So it's got nothing up here, as you guys can see. La, 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 and then we keep going and going and going. There's the gas tank. Everything's backwards. And then there's the manifold up here somewhere. It's got headers on it, flex pipes. Got a cat on it there. It broke right there, so we just welded it back up for her. Put her another hanger and fixed it up. Brought it back to new condition. As you guys can see, there's the new hanger to hold it more stabilization after it broke. It's got a dual tip on it. As you guys can see, that we did this about 2.5 years ago, and then I don't know what she hit or something happened and it broke, so we fixed it. And I told her, we don't have one for the channel, let's fix this, let's put it up on there for her. And she's like, okay, that's cool with her. And if you guys wondering, phobia means spider phobia. Anyways, there's a link in the description. We'll have a link in the description for the high flow cat and the dual tip. Also guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like the sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There she is, straight pipe, MR-2 with header. So if you guys were wondering what an MR-2 sounds like, that's what it sounds like, with straight pipes. There's sound decibels. Again, right at 108. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds good. Almost looks like a toy. I love it. It's small. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Toyota MR-2 straight pipe. There it is. And it's got a custom hardtop to it too. It looks really cool. Looks really cool. They're rare, you can barely find them anymore. Show them how it's done.